Kittens are full of energy and curiosity. They love playing with small objects, chasing strings, balls, or even shadows, which helps train their hunting instincts and reflexes. While playing, they often bite or scratch, learning their limits. And strength, kittens sleep a lot, up to 16 to 20 hours a day, because rest is essential for muscle and brain development. They also lick themselves or their playmates to clean their fur and strengthen social bonds. Kittens enjoy exploring their surroundings, climbing, and hiding in small spaces to practice motor skills. When comfortable, they purr and snuggle with their mother or humans, showing feelings of safety and happiness.